Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and launching Panda Gfx. Open the app and sign in if required. Once done, create a new project or open a PGF file so you can act immediately. Import assets next, PNG, SVG, or PSD, and enable preserve layers when you plan iterative edits. Make sure canvas resolution is set, for example 1920x 1080, because working at final size prevents scaling issues. Then save a project snapshot before heavy edits so you can revert quickly if needed. You now move into the core editing loop where Panda Gfx's node graph is central. Connect nodes by dragging outputs to inputs to compose filters and transforms. This visual flow shows how data moves so you understand cause and effect. Adjust parameters like opacity, blend mode, and transform values. Try scale between 0, 5, and 2. 0 for previews. Once a pattern repeats, group nodes into a macro and name it. Export that macro as a PGM preset so you can reuse the exact behavior in other projects. You finish by preparing output and running exports. Pick PNG, WebP, or TIFF, set the color profile, and choose compression percentage to balance quality and size. Once done, use the render queue to batch export multiple variants and select CPU or GPU rendering depending on stability. Limit threads if you see overheating. If something goes wrong, reset preferences first, then update GPU drivers and load the autosave snapshot you saved earlier. That quick troubleshooting sequence solves the majority of crashes and corrupted renders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.